don't get me wrong ne as ngisihlalele la eNaturena kunokuyibhiya yonke indawo angithi amabhakani yawine ama case we Black Label umbulo udakiswe kasani la nisithilele nje hayibo ungena uRich Uncle hey katlego hey Mexico says the last 2010 goal was fake and luck. How is it fake and luck? Uncle Rich Uncle usho kanjani athi hayi bantu babena they say it's fake and it was luck. Ngithi hayi man, you cannot be fake and luck man, it must be one. No, they say it's fake, so go get the boys. I want to score the first goal again with the boys. Ngithi eish lapho Rich Uncle wathi uba nenkinga ngoba eish next door ngale umbule uphuzise umbokazi nobufuke ngama black basashawa isihlabahlaba. So akazi usebenza kanjani athi hayi man, stop being like that, go get them. Ngithi ngiyakutshela Rich Uncle umufuke uyamboza uweek uvelo wabethwa ama black ayi2 umbokazi bekithi uqinile Rich Uncle sizaphethe iblack e1 nje. But ama black labafana laba umuntu osingamthola manje Rich Uncle umbule Rich Uncle uyo yamazi uqinile iDrunken Master uyabona uyo singamthola for igame but hey cats, make sure the boys are fit and good, go give them something there. Ngithi amfethu awuthiyo bathola inyama enhloko le Rich Uncle ne utshela iMexico ukuthi la goal asiyilakhi sokona futhi ngoba Nkota says he wants to score the first goal. Athi yeah Nkota very positive. Ngithi sure Rich Uncle, let me go get inyama enhloko. And what's that? Ngithi no worry wena man.